barefoot in the dew. Perhaps the sky was not yet really blue. Or maybe I was merely out for fun. Perhaps I had nothing else to do to celebrate the battles joined and won. Perhaps it was a wind, the way it blew. Or maybe it was the absence of the sun. Something there was I neither know nor knew. Some unsaid thing when all is said and done. I did it. Why did I do it? I, for one, I neither have an inkling nor a clue when in the middle of my morning run, a patch of grassy meadow crossed my view. I do not know if others did it too, and yet I walked barefoot in the dew.